Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Now, after the separator block, the next improvement that we are going to discuss has been introduced in the cover block in WordPress 6.1. And to see this change, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add cover block first in WordPress 6.1, and then I am going to add it in WordPress 6.0. And you can see the first difference is the addition of this use featured image option on the placeholder, basically, right? And you can see right over here it is missing. Okay, the first change is the addition of this featured image option on the placeholder, and this option is missing. Now the next change that you are going to see again pertains to the addition of featured image, which is the option to add the featured image is right over here in WordPress 6.0. Okay, so this is WordPress 6.0. You can see the option to add the featured image is right over here. You can see this option. Okay, now this option has been moved under add media. You can see right over here. Okay, again let me show you in WordPress 6.0 this option is on the toolbar, and in WordPress 6.1 it's under add media. Now the next change that you are going to notice is that when I this basically post does not have any featured image to it, so when I will select use featured image, it will give me what? A placeholder. It will automatically add a placeholder to it. You can see as soon as I click the option, it basically added that placeholder, and then it was asking me to write a title or something, right? You can see right over here. Now this is not the case in WordPress 6.0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this, and you can see nothing changes. The placeholder remains the same because this post also does not have any featured image set, right? So you understand the three differences. The first one is let me just remove this cover block from here, and let me add it here, cover block. And you can see first is use featured image on the placeholder, that is missing from here, right? The second option is this use featured image option, which is on the toolbar in WordPress 6.0, has been moved under add media right over here. Then the next change is when I will click this featured image option, it will add a placeholder, whereas you will not get this option here. I mean, you will get this option, but placeholder will not be added, right? So three changes. Now the fourth change is to the opacity and overlay and opacity, right? So let's head over to the block settings right over here. You can see the overlay has the option color and the opacity. Now this has changed. Okay, see right over here, the color is, let me select this, the color has now the option overlay and opacity, right? So the opacity is basically for the overlay you are setting the color. So basically overlay is a color and then there is an opacity to it. So that's the flow, right? So they have corrected the flow right over here. You can see again the change. The overlay had a color which had an opacity, right? Take it like this. Now this has changed. The color is basically the overlay and that has the opacity, right? So they have corrected the flow. Basically these are the options for the colors, and basically color is not the option, the overlay and the opacity are the options, right? So these are the changes that you will see in the cover block. Now in case you have any queries regarding this, feel free to comment down below, and if you're finding the content helpful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.